Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have got a Briggs and Stratton rotavator today, so let's have a quick look. So it's a 4-tine, but you can take the 2 outer tines off. It's missing the pull start, and not sure if it's got spark, and not sure of the controls. I suppose we'll get the oil cap out and I'll come back. So yeah, there's a bit of oil on the bottom of the dipstick, plus it's tilted back, so that's enough for a start. Let's go look at the plug. So we're just looking at the throttle position. If we follow around, that's got to be the earth. So if we pull the throttle, I assume that that touches, so it's possibly off, and then that opens it up. So there's a spring disconnected there. That spring has probably got to go on to that. How does that? But that's got a governor on. So shouldn't that have a linkage? Shouldn't that have a linkage from there to there? What's stopping that? Because all that's moving and that's not connected to anything. Apart from maybe the earth kill. So that's minimum throttle, that's probably maximum throttle. Maybe it'll regulate itself. Let's get the plug out next. No luck with the plug. No luck with the plug. Let's swap this cover for this cover and then see. That's a bolt. Well, that's pretty beat up. That's a nut. That's nice. Nut and bolt wedged in there because that's bust. That one's alright. Head's pretty good, no sign of blow by. Yeah, that's alright. So all of this linkage has got to actuate on this. And like the lawnmower one. Right, swap this cover on. See what I'm doing. Stay there, don't fall over. And I'm going to make that one a slot. Or at least tip it on the would fit, apart from that. Right, let's just... So what I have to do is hacksaw that shape into the new one. So I'll do that and I'll be back. So I'll put a slot in there. So now hopefully we can get this So we're on the next day, and with the multimeter, that little pin there is the earth. So we've adjusted the cable so that kills the spark and that lets it. And then we've swapped.
Killed spark.
We've swapped to the old case for the minute with the temporary tester, which is too big, because the borrowed case was clipping the fans. So we've got to figure out, we might get three of the mains. Guy, right, I'll get Penny over here for the camera and then we'll see if it'll go. Right, got you mounted on the mower. Put the airbox on. That's off the kill position. 1, 2, a couple of them. Hold my temporary test rig.